$500 is a massive amount of money to hand out just for a few minutes of your time. If you saw a stranger on a street corner holding a sign promising that kind of cash for a quick chat, you would probably walk a little faster in the opposite direction. But when that same offer pops up on a clean, professional-looking website, our internal alarm bells do not always ring quite as loud. This is exactly what is happening right now with a site called Samsclaim. It looks polished. It looks official. It features that familiar branding we all recognize from our weekend bulk shopping runs. The premise is simple. Give us your feedback and get a huge gift card in return. It sounds like a dream for anyone trying to save on their grocery bill. However, the reality behind that shiny interface is much more complicated and potentially risky. Think about how major corporations actually operate. A massive retail giant does not usually hide its biggest rewards on a weird, temporary-looking web address. They have their own verified platforms for a reason. When you see a promotion hosted on a strange, generic domain that looks like it was thrown together overnight, that is a massive red flag. These sites are often built as temporary shells. They are designed to exist just long enough to gather data before vanishing into thin air. Then there is the process itself. They start by asking for basic details. This feels harmless at first. You might think it is just a name and an email address. But then comes the catch. They tell you that to unlock your reward, you need to complete a few recommended deals. This is where the trap truly snaps shut. These deals are the engine behind the whole operation. They might ask you to sign up for a credit monitoring service or a monthly beauty box subscription. Sometimes they even ask for a small shipping fee for a different freebie. By the time you realize you have spent $30 on random services, that gift card feels even more necessary. You are trapped in a cycle of sunk costs. You keep pushing because you want to justify the money you already spent, but the rewards rarely come through the way they promise. You find yourself jumping through hoop after hoop. Each step feels like you are getting closer to that $500, but the finish line just keeps moving further away. You are essentially doing free labor and giving away your privacy for a prize that might not even exist. It is a classic psychological trick. You have already invested time, so you feel like you have to keep going to make it worth it. But your data is the real product here. Your phone number and email are being packaged and sold to marketers, or worse. Once your information is out there, it is nearly impossible to get back. You end up with an inbox full of spam and a phone that never stops ringing with robocalls. Authentic feedback programs are rarely this aggressive or this lucrative. If an offer feels like it is too good to be true, it almost certainly is. Protect your digital footprint. Stick to official websites and verified social media accounts whenever you are looking for deals. That $500 gift card might look tempting, but the cost to your privacy is way higher than any store credit could ever cover. Stay sharp out there and trust your gut when a website starts asking for too much. Be skeptical of the shiny buttons and the big promises. Your personal security is worth much more than a potential discount on a bulk pack of paper towels. Stay safe and keep your data locked down.